Okay, today's date is 3/3/18, 3/3/18. Guess where I'm at? Guess where I'm at? My home away from home, Beavertail Lighthouse. We had high winds yesterday, 93 miles an hour over Cape Cod, 92 miles an hour in Nantucket, and one wonders why the waves are not monsters here. Well, that's because the wind was blowing from the north and northeast. If they were blowing from the southeast, the wave would come up and pull me out right in the water. I hope I caught that. I hope I caught that. Say yes and mean it. Anyway, happy birthday today to my good friend Tom Benson Haber. At least I pronounced his name right. Of course, half the time when I try to pronounce names right, I talk like I got mothballs in my mouth, as always. Alright, some good stuff here. Wow. Did some videoing yesterday down at the Bay Campus beach, and the waves were pretty big there too. I was impressed. Wow, check that out. Oh wow, get this. Wow. Wow. Boy, my YouTube buddies, Jason, Sellen, Tom, whose birthday today, that was a clap of thunder like my 713, 17 CG strike. Boy, my YouTube buddies, you should enjoy this one. Also, my good friends too. Boy, that, oh wow, there's a lightning bolt for you. You get that, Tom and Jason and Billy St. Pete and Billy, Scott. Well, I gotta get this son of a bitch on YouTube, pardon my French. Comes one. Yeah, the waves come in series. That's okay. I like what I got here. I'm not complaining. By the way, Jason, my good friend, when I was videotaping yesterday, I really appreciate your helping me on how to get the videos uploaded so I can get longer videos. I know I said that it's like trying to fly a kite. What I meant to say is, I'm not an easy learner on how to do these things, but I appreciate your help. Okay, thank you for your help. I know I said that when I videotaped the waves yesterday at the beach, bottom of my street. Alright. Appreciate your help, Jason, on that. Probably still need my tall computer geek to help me with that anyway. Wow. We get more of those bigger guys. You can see some whitecaps way over there in Newport. See, over there. Yeah. Last time I was here was on February 21st, and here it is March 3rd. You know, on this date in 1984, Norman 9 at WCBS FM 101, he was counting down the top 20 songs of March 3rd, 1968. And guess what? He mentioned my name, my then hometown of Fort Washington, and he played the song I requested, We Can Fly by the Cowsills. Yeah, it was on this date in 1984. And on this date in 1985, when I was down in Ixtapa, Mexico, I saw a beautiful left-sided omen. And of course, this date in 1986, my good friend Tom from New Hampshire was born. All right. Oh, it was a birthday present for you, Tom. Benson Haber. This should be an enjoyable video for you, my good friend. I hope you get a lot of T-storms this summer. And I have no intention of siphoning all the good T-storms away from my good T-storm buddies. Okay, I'm going to try to shift my position here. I'm playing tetherball with the camcorder. Still got the Ziploc bag over the camcorder though. Yeah, with all the wind last night, I had to sleep downstairs on the couch, but the cushions kept on shifting. I felt like I was sleeping on the back of a camel. Well, I couldn't sleep the night of October 29, 30 either because I was so anxious to come down here and videotape. Wow, you ought to like this one, my T-storm buddies. This is awesome. See, the wind is coming from the north, and the waves are coming from the southeast. I'll tell you, there were some real big waves out there. Would 40 feet waves be happy for you? Well, not here, but way out at sea. They're way out there. We're talking 40 feet high. I'm talking about my tall computer geek, Mike Anderson, is 7 feet tall. It's like 6.5 Mike Andersons staying on top of each other like a giant totem pole. Give you an idea how much 40 feet really is. See, I got the Ziploc bag over the camcorder. It's pretty windy. This is awesome, man. Yeah, the waves are coming from real different directions. Look at that. Here they are coming from the north, and here they are coming from the southeast. So like a dry line that generates violent T-storms and tornadoes. Oh, I need some big ones, man, please. Got a nice one earlier. My sister and I will try to go over there on the other side of the beach that we were back on October 30th and get those. Maybe they're bigger over there than here. There was snow, by the way, not here, but up in Plainfield, Massachusetts, where I've been many times since 7/5/98, where my good sister moved down from on 11/10/16. They had 13 inches of snow. And how many inches of snow they had up there is equivalent to how many times I've been here so far. Look at that. It's coming from real different directions. I got some real big waves about 5 minutes ago. We can get more before the 15 minutes is up on this. I'll tell you, man, the winds were from the southeast or south instead of the north-northeast, and they were gusting over 60 miles an hour. I tell you, man, these waves would have been real monsters. There comes one. Okay, get ready. Okay, go for it. Okay, let's hear it, fellas. Love having dreams of this place, I really do. Not that I don't want to be in real life, but I love having excellent dreams. I had a dream of a violent thunderstorm girl on 51086. My good friend Tony Florentino, one of his kids was exactly minus 10 years old that day. Okay, well, we're about 12 minutes in the recording. Platform here that I love. Yeah, well, now that's some more big waves. Donate that. Try to videotape the other beach too, but the battery's not good enough. I got some real big ones early in the video. Alright, watch me shove off, and all of a sudden there's a 40-foot monster here. See, we got to come here when we get strong winds from the southeast or south. That's where you get the real monsters. Well, maybe next time. Yeah, I see a ripple out there. Well, that's generating a big wave. Okay, got less than a minute and a half here. I can always do another clip. It's starting to rain now. It's good thing I got the plastic bag over my camcorder, Ziploc bag. Folds over camcorder lens. Missed all the splashes. Okay, we're gonna have to stop this clip, getting close to it. Okay, we're stopping this clip now.